This is Hidden Car Tech. We unlock the real power inside your Audi. More performance, more response, engine power with no limits. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech and drive smarter.
Many Audi owners believe that modern engines are extremely durable, and in many ways they are. Modern Audi engines are engineered with incredible precision, advanced fuel injection systems, turbocharged power delivery, complex electronic management systems, and extremely tight internal tolerances. But despite all of this engineering, there is one simple habit that can quietly increase wear inside the engine over time. A habit that many drivers repeat every single day without even realizing it. And the surprising part is that this habit is not aggressive driving. It's not high RPM acceleration. It's not highway speed. In fact, it's something much more common. Something most drivers believe is completely harmless. Short trips, a simple habit with a silent impact. Starting the engine, driving for a few minutes, and shutting it off before the engine reaches full operating temperature. Modern Audi engines are designed to operate within a very specific temperature range. When the engine is cold, several important systems are not yet working in their optimal state. Engine oil is thicker, lubrication flow is slower, combustion efficiency is lower, and internal engine components expand as temperature rises. During the first minutes after a cold start, the engine control unit adjusts fuel delivery and ignition timing to stabilize the combustion process. This is known as the warm-up phase. During this phase, the engine runs slightly richer than normal. That extra fuel helps the engine warm up faster and stabilize combustion. But if the engine is shut down too quickly, before reaching proper operating temperature, several things can begin to happen over time. Moisture can accumulate inside the engine oil. Fuel residues may not fully evaporate. Internal components may not complete their normal thermal expansion cycle. And when this happens repeatedly over weeks and months, the engine oil can slowly become contaminated. This contamination can reduce lubrication efficiency and increase long-term wear inside the engine. But before we go deeper into why this happens, if you enjoy learning how Audi engineering actually works, subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. It costs you nothing, but it helps the channel continue producing detailed Audi-focused videos about performance, reliability, and hidden vehicle systems. In this episode, you'll learn why short trips affect modern Audi engines, what happens during the engine warm-up phase, and why oil temperature matters more than coolant temperature, and a simple habit that can significantly reduce long-term engine stress. Now let's take a deeper look at what actually happens inside the engine during those short trips. To really understand why short trips can affect an Audi engine over time, we need to look at what happens during the engine warm-up phase. When you start your Audi from cold, the engine oil is still relatively thick. Oil becomes thinner and flows more easily as it warms up. Until that happens, lubrication inside the engine is not yet at its most efficient level. Critical components such as camshafts, turbo bearings, piston rings, and timing chain systems all depend on a stable flow of warm engine oil to operate at their best. During the first minutes after a cold start, oil pressure builds quickly, but oil temperature rises much more slowly, and that difference is important. Many drivers look at the coolant temperature gauge on the dashboard and assume that once it reaches the middle, the engine is fully warmed up. But in reality, coolant temperature stabilizes much faster than oil temperature. Engine oil may still need several additional minutes to reach its optimal operating range. This means that during many short trips, the engine never actually reaches full operating temperature. Now let's talk about something else that happens during this phase. When an engine runs cold, combustion is not as efficient as when it is fully warmed up. To compensate for this, the engine control unit injects slightly more fuel. This richer mixture helps stabilize combustion and accelerate the warm-up process. But if the engine is turned off before reaching operating temperature, some of that extra fuel may remain inside the combustion chamber or mix with the engine oil. Over time, repeated short trips can lead to small amounts of fuel dilution inside the engine oil. Fuel dilution reduces the oil's ability to lubricate critical engine components. The oil becomes slightly thinner and less protective. Again, this does not cause immediate problems. Modern Audi engines are very durable, but when this cycle repeats hundreds or thousands of times over months and years, it can slowly influence long-term engine wear. Another factor that occurs during short trips is moisture accumulation. Every time an engine cools down, small amounts of condensation can form inside the crankcase. Normally, during longer drives, engine heat evaporates this moisture, and the ventilation system removes it. But when the engine never fully warms up, that moisture may remain inside the oil. And over time, moisture combined with fuel dilution can reduce the oil's long-term effectiveness. This is why vehicles that are used primarily for short urban trips often require more frequent oil changes. Not because the engine is damaged, but because the operating conditions are more demanding for the oil. And there is another system that can also be affected by repeated short trips, one that many Audi owners rarely consider. Hey Gen Guide, Part 2.
Another system that can also be influenced by repeated short trips is the exhaust and emission system. Modern Audi vehicles use extremely advanced emission control technologies. These include catalytic converters, oxygen sensors, particulate filters in some engines, advanced exhaust gas monitoring systems. All of these components are designed to operate most efficiently when the engine reaches its normal operating temperature. During longer drives, exhaust temperatures become high enough to allow these systems to function exactly as intended. But when a vehicle is driven only for short distances, the exhaust system often never reaches those optimal temperatures. This can cause incomplete combustion residues to accumulate more easily over time. Again, this process happens slowly. It doesn't trigger warning lights, and it usually doesn't create immediate mechanical problems. But over long periods, it can slightly affect engine efficiency and exhaust flow. Another area that can be influenced by repeated short trips is the turbocharger system. Most modern Audi engines are turbocharged. Turbochargers operate at extremely high rotational speeds. In many cases, the turbo shaft can spin at over 150,000 revolutions per minute. This means turbo bearings rely heavily on stable oil lubrication and consistent thermal conditions. When the engine runs long enough, oil temperature stabilizes and lubrication becomes optimal. But when the engine repeatedly operates only during short trips, the turbo system may constantly operate within partial warm-up cycles. Once again, this does not mean the turbo will fail. Audi turbochargers are engineered to be very durable, but operating conditions that never allow full stabilization can slowly increase internal stress over long periods. Now here's the important part. Short trips themselves are not inherently harmful. Cars are designed to handle them. The issue arises when short trips are the only type of driving the vehicle experiences. Engines benefit from occasional longer drives that allow all systems to reach full operating temperature. When the engine oil, turbo system, and exhaust components reach stable temperatures, internal moisture evaporates, combustion becomes cleaner, and the engine operates within its most efficient range. Understanding how these operating cycles work helps drivers maintain long-term engine health. Modern Audi vehicles are incredibly sophisticated machines, and sometimes the best way to protect them is simply understanding how they are designed to operate. Small driving habits can make a big difference over time. If you enjoy learning how Audi engineering works behind the scenes, subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. It costs you nothing, but it helps the channel continue producing detailed Audi-focused videos about hidden features, performance behavior, and the engineering logic behind these vehicles. And if you drive an Audi, understanding these systems can help keep your car smooth, efficient, and enjoyable for many years.
Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter. Spend less. Unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. Stay ahead.